Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I have been quite busy this last week so couldn't upload any video. But today I am here with a new video. I am going to show you how I take care of my dry skin these days. For this I am using Pixi Beauty skincare products. In this video I will talk about these products as well. So let's start. I am going to cleanse my skin with Pixi Hydrating Milky Cleanser. The Hydrating Milky Cleanser is a creamy face wash formulated with moisturizing ingredients to give your skin a deep clean without drying it out. My skin is dry, so this cleanser is very suitable for me. You can see how creamy the texture is. I need just a small amount rubbed into my palms and apply it like a cream all over my face and neck as well. It has a mild and fresh smell that is not overpowering at all. The cleanser has coconut, probiotics and jojoba that nourishes, protects and hydrates the skin. It feels light and gentle on my skin and removes all impurities. Now I am wiping the cleanser with the cotton pad. When I am wearing makeup, I use it after removing my makeup with cleansing oil or balm. It works well as a second cleanse and removes all the residue. It gives my skin a deep cleanse, but still very gentle and soothing. So I will wash my face now and dry it with the towel. My skin feels soft and fresh. Okay, now I will exfoliate my skin with peel and polish from Pixi Beauty. This is a dual action peeling and scrubbing mask. Peel and polish contains 6% lactic acid and a myriad of other skin loving ingredients that will help reveal radiant and baby soft skin. The product is packaged in a simple but beautiful 80 ml squeeze tube. Peel and polish is an exfoliant mask that exfoliates both physically and chemically. I take a small amount whenever I use and apply it all over my face and neck by a gentle massage. It is formulated with 6% lactic acid, sunflower seed oil, witch hazel water and extracts of ginseng, papaya, sugarcane, sugar maple, cucumber, orange and lemon. Peel and polish also has a dash of exfoliative particles, so the product will physically scrub away any dry patches on the skin. I especially focus on the area that requires more exfoliation, like around my nose and chin. The scrubbing particles aren't harsh at all, so you don't have to worry about scratching your skin. After this quick massage, this product is to be left on for 2 minutes. Now it's time to wash the face. Upon removal, my skin feels soft and renewed. I like how it gently exfoliates without leaving any dryness or redness. Now I will use Pixi Rose Glow Mist to calm my skin after exfoliating. Rose Glow Mist is the newest addition to the Pixi's best-selling facial mists. This nozzle delivers a fine white mist that covers my entire face in 2-3 sprays. It has a fragrant rose scent that feels pleasant. My skin feels fresh, hydrated and happy. This mist contains 7 flower oils. There is also argan, olive and avocado oils for extra moisture. It is a multi-purpose product, so I can use it after makeup. Going to apply Pixi Collagen and Retinol Serum now. This is the outer box with all information and ingredients details. The serum is a formula packed with botanical collagen and retinol designed to restore the skin's natural plumpness and elasticity, to leave skin feeling softer and looking more revitalized. The serum comes in such 30 ml pale green compact glass bottle with puppet dropper. The formula has a natural fresh cucumber scent that I love, but I think it can bother sensitive noses. I hope they can cut down on the fragrance. The consistency is thin if compared to other serums. It is enriched with acacia collagen, retinol, and chamomile that helps to boost skin elasticity. I love its performance on my skin since I have been using it for a month now. It hasn't done anything miraculous, but it is a decent serum to get the benefits of retinol and collagen. Finally, I will apply this rose ceramide cream that I have been using for more than a month. Comes in this beautiful outer box that all product details. This cream is enriched with calming ceramides that play an important role in maintaining our skin protective layer. Rose oil and probiotic which protect and balance the skin, this product has quickly become a staple of my skincare routine and for good reason. I'm in love with its lovely scent and lightweight formula. The texture is maybe rich for oily skin, but for my skin it's just perfect. I'm applying it with some gentle circular strokes and it gets absorbed completely. In fact, it seems to settle somewhere in the middle, both giving my skin an immediate boost and leaving it feeling hydrated over a longer period that I love. I'm also impressed with the cream for the long lasting effect. Although the formula is described as rich, it doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy or shiny. Having used it for over a month now, I must say that this cream is one of my favorite creams for winter and also one of the favorite products from Pixie skincare range. So that is all about my skincare with Pixie Beauty skincare products. I'm highly impressed with this brand. To be clear, I don't use these all at once but mixed with products from other brands. I can see the effect of these products on my skin, especially during these days when it needs something extra. I will highly recommend to the products to the normal to dry and super dry skin. People who are sensitive to fragrance may not like them because they use a lot of essential oils. So I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet very soon with another video. Till then, take care of yourself and of course of your skin. Bye.